Hi everyone, Adam the Horror Guy, back with another video. What you are seeing right now is the face of Leatherface, of one of the greatest horror movies of all time. Tobe Hooper's 1974 The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. What I have here on the back of my bedroom door is the 50th anniversary movie poster. As you see there, got the windmill in the background, the sun, the Texas heat, the bloody chainsaw, Gunnar Hansen as Leatherface. There's the hitchhiker, just cut his hand, Ed Neal. Pam, played by Terry McGinn. Sally, played by Marilyn Burns. And Grandpa, John Dugan. Hit her, Grandpa, hit her. That's what they're saying when it's the dinner scene with Sally. This is such a sick poster. I got this poster from the official Texas Chainsaw Massacre store. Like from the original movie. The 1974 official Texas Chainsaw store. I think it's in Texas. It's online. TexasChainsawStore.com. Such a beautiful poster. It's sick. I love it. I love this movie. It's a classic. They'll never make another movie like this again. Look at all this human skulls. The Sawyer's family. That's in the room with all the bones. There we go there. Look at that. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. 50th anniversary. There it is. There's the infamous van. Near the Sawyer house. It's just such a good poster. I don't know, I wanted something big, so I just stuck it on the back of my bedroom door. For me, it's perfect. I love the colours. It's so vibrant. I just love that orange and the yellow in the background behind Leatherface. It's just so cool. So cool. One of the greatest horror movies of all time. So I'm going to say it now. This is my ranking. I'm a horror fan, so this is my ranking of. This is my top 4 ranking. Halloween, 1978. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, 1974. Friday the 13th, 1980. A Nightmare on Elm Street, 1984. They're my top 4 picks. Top 4 horror movies. Halloween, Texas Chainsaw, Friday the 13th, and Nightmare on Elm Street. I don't give a shit what people think or what they say, but that's my opinion. They are the 4 greatest horror movies of all time, like ever made. Well, that's what I reckon anyway. And this is the second ranking for me. I just love Halloween. Halloween 78. Jamie Lee Curtis, such a great movie. That look at Leatherface Gunner. Played that role so well. There's his chainsaw. Ed Neal played that hitchhiker so good. They all had the role and they played it well. Every character, that was in that movie. They just played it so well. There we go, 50th anniversary. I don't even know, like, on the website, Texas Chainsaw official store, they could have some of these posters left. I'm not really sure. They pretty much sold out now. I was very, very lucky to find one. It's very hard for me to find this kind of stuff but in Australia, but I got it online in the US, so got it. It's on the back of the door. There you go. That's another video done. Just decided to share this with everyone. I hope I get some some likes on my videos, some fucking subscribers. I need more. Please help me out, guys. Subscribe to my videos. Hit the like button. I'm an Australian. I love horror, so that's me. And I just hope the rest of you guys out there take care and stay healthy and always stay spooky. Oh God, Sally looks terrified in that photo. Look at her. Oh my God. She played the role well. And so did Ed Neal. There will never be another fucking hitchhiker like him. He is the one. He's the number one. Great actor. Great. And of course, Gunner. A picture of the chainsaw before I go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful chainsaw. Covered in blood. Right, guys. Take care. Peace out. See you in the next video. Bye.